So hey everyone, we finally have more actual updates for Robinhood. I'm not gonna shill you anything, I'm not gonna sell you anything. All I'm gonna ask is for a like today because I put a lot of effort into this. Thank you so much for watching, but if you can, please email Coinbase Pro, eToro, and Robinhood. If more people do what they can't ignore us, it's a win-win. We get more exposure, and people have been contacting eToro, and I honestly think eToro will list Robinhood, Shiba Inu. But what we're seeing so far is they are giving basically automatic responses. Kind of know that currently we do not offer Shiba Inu stocks for trading. They're not stocks, they're coins. We'll gladly add it to our wish list and we'll look at adding in the next release. Should you require further assistance or information, please reply to this message and hopefully they will add it. These are basically automatic responses from the support, and basically I found new information for Robinhood. So let's jump right into that. So the first thing we have to see here, the petitions have actually stalled a bit, but that's completely fine because right now we're waiting on Robinhood. We got 167,000 awesome people actually signing up the petition, and it's still going. What we need to see is 200,000 right now, but we're waiting on Robinhood to act now because this is like a big number. This is not something you should ignore, right? And I found what's going on in Robinhood's headquarters, why they still have not listed Shiba Inu just yet. So listen to this very carefully. The reason why they have not listed it yet is very simple. This has been happening with Robinhood, and after this, they should probably list it. FINRA orders Robinhood to pay $70 million due to significant harm platform caused users. Regulators said that a trading app should pay restitution to users like the 20-year-old who did, not something good, but the U.S. financial industry regulatory authorities penalizing Robinhood to the tune of roughly $70 million based on the result of an investigation into the stock and cryptocurrency trading app. So they have to pay a $70 million fine. Obviously, I think they're having bigger issues right now. We already saw the last time I talked about Robinhood is they had another issue. So I think they're going through a lot of things, and then they're going to be looking into actually renewing. From the rumors I heard, they're renewing the cryptocurrency app and especially the cryptocurrency section for Robinhood. And after that, with such big demand for Shiba Inu, if the Shiba Inu demand increases or stays the same, I think they will be adding it on a bullish run, on a green run. In a Wednesday announcement, the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, or FINRA, said it had to order Robinhood to pay $57 million in fines to the regulatory body, as well provide roughly $12 million in restitution to certain customers. So they're basically giving $12 million to some customers, and they allege the trading platform causing widespread and significant harm, and this is not looking good. Obviously, there's two sides of the story here, and the fine imposed in this matter, the highest ever levied by FINRA, reflects the scopes and seriousness of Robinhood's violations, including FINRA's finding that Robinhood communicated and false and misleading information to millions of its customers. Obviously, we're not here about the lawsuit. We're here to know when are we going to be getting listed on Robinhood. And the most important factor here is I found a key price indicator when this could happen. When Bitcoin reaches a good price, they should probably be listing it right now. But the false information to which FINRA referred includes allegations Robinhood misinterpreted margin trades, users' cash holdings, and in-app accounts. So they want to kind of fix that. I'm guessing they're actually focusing on right now to fixing such an issue they're having. According to regulatory body, Robinhood neither admitted nor denied the charges, but consented to the entries of FINRA findings. And obviously, they're going to be paying the fine. They're going to be doing their time. And after that, they can now finally focus on getting back on track. Regulators said the firm was responsible for paying $7 million in restitution to customers who reported seeing inaccurate negative cash balances in their accounts. And when they fix that, they could actually focus on crypto. They may pay more than $5 million to the users affected by Robinhood's outages between 2018 and 2020, alleging that many users had lost up to tens of thousands of dollars in the trades and were unable to execute during significant market volatility. So they're getting the restitutions they deserve. They're finally getting the money back. We saw a lot of posts, with outages, with actually Robinhood having so many users right now. And imagine if so many users come into crypto to invest into Shiba Inu, what that would do. But we're seeing here that the penalties paid to FINRA directly seem to be based on Robinhood's company policies and apparent failure to provide a clear picture of the market data for customers. So yeah, they had their outages and now they're focusing on actually not repeating this mistake. And after that, they should actually finally list it and go on their way to list Shiba Inu. So the result of FINRA investigation came as Robinhood is planning to move forward with initial public offering. This is something I talked about last time. However, the firm is currently under scrutiny from the US Security and Exchange Commission. So they have a lot of things happening than just listing it on Robinhood. And after you get that fixed, reportedly resulting in the delay of the company going public. So as they can go public, then that's when the big things are happening. I think that's because, you know, they want to go their stock public, and right now they're a private company, but Robinhood initially planned to launch its IPO this month, but reportedly postponed the offering to July. So this is something I talked about last time, so I'm just going to read the title here. Robinhood has initially hoped to begin its public offering after American investors returned from July 4 holidays, but they delayed it. They actually did delay it from what we're seeing so far. And it's going to take some time, you know. It definitely will take time, and time is all we have right now, SHIB Army. I don't even think we need to get listed by Robinhood right now. I think it would massively actually improve the prices, but in the reason when it will actually return. So I think it will return after July 4. The offering to July 4 several weeks ago, with sources claiming that the firm wanted to time its IPO to when people return from the July 4th holiday, and this was now delayed until autumn. So in autumn, we should be seeing the listing, or later than that, and sadly that's a both good and a bad thing, because that's when I think the market will actually improve from my own research. But if we check over here, there's a key price indicator when Robinhood will list Shiba Inu. So 3 key areas traders are watching as Bitcoin's monthly close occurs, and as Bitcoin grows, that's when I think the Robinhood will actually take the correct strike and list Shiba Inu coin. As the month of June comes to an end, traders are asking for a magic 8-ball for answers to the questions of where Bitcoin's price will go next. And Bitcoin's whipset vitality has been on full display through June, leaving traders confused and in search of the latest technical indicator or major news announcement that might provide some hint in which the price will move. So we want to see the price go up, actually, and Robinhood wants the same thing. They don't want to be listing their coin when it's all red, because it will look bad for their investments who are new to cryptocurrency, putting it all into Shiba Inu, and then it drops by 20% the next day. And a Bitcoin price is still 47% away from its all-time high. Bitcoin needs to hold 34,000 support from what I'm seeing so far. The current period in 2021 cycle is very similar to 2030 mid-cycle correction, and above 34,000, it needs to hold that if it wants to go back to its original price, right? And if it goes back to its original price, that's when we're going to be seeing Shiba Inu go up. Even for me, it's always a bit uneasy when Bitcoin price is at a lower bound of the stock to flow model. Will it hold like March 2019 or March 2020? So that's when, you know, we saw serious increases. March 2019 was a publication here, bam, you know, price goes up. March, bam, price goes up. September, bam, you know, Bitcoin stuck at 10K, no more, forget that. And then we saw Elon and China, and yeah, the price dropped. But if you see here long term, you know, I think this is like 2017, the prices still have massively increased, which is what I'm all up for. And there's a sign of bearish breakdown right now from what I'm seeing, and it's supposed to be ending. It's finally over, guys. We're finally, you know, gonna stop that big bearish run, and I really do hope so. There's also signs of rising sentiment, and going back to it, when Robinhood sees, you know, this pattern being positive, when we see Shiba Inu being green, only then are they gonna list it. I definitely think there's enough demand. There's so much demand. 170,000 people signing that is just super huge, and obviously liking this video will even further someone might see this video, so be sure to drop a like from their team from what I'm seeing. But we're seeing more investors actually by long-term holders coming in, and that's a great pattern I'm seeing. So they are definitely waiting for that big price increase, and after that we can finally see Robinhood and Shiba Inu finally collaborate, and I want to see those beautiful prices go up again. Be sure to drop a like. Bitcoin cheap right now, but it might go up, you know. They've added 700,000 to their holdings since the initial price drawdown in late May. Hopefully this tells you enough, but be sure to drop a like, and thank you so much for watching.